Hi and welcome to Bobby Reviews. In this video, I'm going to be talking about thank you pages. We're going to be looking at the power of the thank you page and the different ways you can use it to massively improve your business, so that by the end of this video, you will understand what exactly is the thank you page and how to use it to increase conversions and profits. So first, what is a thank you page? This is the web page that your visitor sees straight after signing up to your opt-in or another call to action. Or in the case of a double opt-in, the page that they see straight after confirming their subscription request. So in the normal flow of work, we'll go from the landing page or opt-in page to the thank you page, and then to the welcome email, which will be delivered, follow-up emails. Now, the lead magnet can be delivered in either the thank you page or the welcome email. We'll discuss that in another video. But first, what makes the thank you page so important? What makes the thank you page so important is that not everybody will necessarily open the welcome email. Even though they've signed up to be a subscriber, they may still not open the welcome email. But the thank you page, since it comes immediately after the landing page or the opt-in, because that follows immediately after, almost everybody gets to see the thank you page, which means that there's so much more probability that whatever message is put on the thank you page will actually be seen by the new subscriber. So since most people get to see the thank you page straight after signing up, the thank you page is very important and very powerful. So while your subscriber is still in that frame of mind of being interested and keen to learn about whatever it is that you're telling them about, having just subscribed, they're in a very receptive frame of mind to hear about anything else you may have to offer them. So the thank you page can be used to start building your relationship with your new subscribers and build on that initial first micro commitments which they've made by subscribing to you. So the psychology is, once somebody has made a commitment, especially while they're still in that frame of mind, they are far more receptive and open-minded to hearing anything else you may have to offer. So it's an absolutely great place for you to present anything else that may be of interest or relevance to your new subscriber on the thank you page. And we'll look at that more in a minute. So let's take a look now at some example thank you pages. This one here says, thank you for your interest. Check your email for a link to the guide. The next example is one from Groove. It thanks you for signing up and directs you to some useful popular blog posts. Another example is from Harry's. They thank you for signing up, and then they tell you a little bit more about themselves and actually get a little bit of information from you. So the next one from Brian from Backlinko. He says, you're all set, your email is all confirmed, and you're now the newest member. You're all set. In the meantime, go ahead and follow him on Twitter. This is a thank you page, or rather video, which is a fantastic idea. And this one is from John Morrow from Smart Blogger. So his thank you page says, your freebie will arrive in your email inbox within 15 minutes. In the meantime, watch this. And he uses this video to tell you a lot about Smart Blogger and the services and information and value that he provides. And in this video, he welcomes a new subscriber, lets them know that the freebie is on the way, asks them if they are interested in freelance writing, explains to them that Smart Blogger team's speciality is training some of the top writers in the world, tells them that the first step for many of their successful students is freelance writing, mentions that they have a program for absolute beginners that is amazingly cheap for what you get, invites them to click on the button below to learn more about his program if they are interested, reminds them to check their email in a few minutes to get their freebie. And also there's a button that you can click above. If you click on the learn more button, he tells you more about the paid to write club. That takes you to the page, sales page, where they get a limited time offer. So he really makes maximum use of his thank you page. He really puts it to good work here, as you can see. So we've seen some different uses of the thank you page. The thank you page should definitely thank them for signing up or purchasing something. But in addition, there's at least 3 elements that every thank you page should have. So you should firstly thank your subscriber or customer. Thank them for carrying out the call to action. Let your subscriber know that they have successfully subscribed or carried out the call to action. Second, let them know what's next. Explain what they should do or what they should expect from you from here. And then thirdly, you should have a strong call to action. So you should prompt your subscriber to a specific next action. For example, go to a popular post, share your content, follow you, offer them a low-cost great offer, like we've just seen in John Morrow's example, the example of John Morrow's thank you page. So the thank you page is really very powerful. So let's go over some of the uses of the thank you page again. So number 1, you can build on content that you mentioned in your landing page, where you have to be very brief on the landing page. On the thank you page, you can elaborate a little bit more and go into a bit more detail. Number 2, you can link to your most popular content, like blog posts that other readers, other subscribers have found particularly useful. Number 3, you can ask them to tell a friend, share your page, or follow you. You can offer different choices for different readers. For example, particularly what kind of services or topics, or even the frequency that they'll like to hear from you. You can sell a low price product or service, and this is very helpful. For example, if you're paying for ads, this can help you to recoup some of your costs. You can offer a special discount or a coupon. This will help to turn your new subscribers into buyers. And number 7, you can conduct a survey. For example, ask them what difficulties they face in their lives, in their business. And this will help you to understand your subscribers better, and you can cater to them more and provide even better value in your content and services to them. And we see an example of that in a minute. So here's an example of a thank you page using survey, and this is Neil Patel's thank you page. So on his thank you page, he'll actually ask about the areas of your business where you're particularly looking for help. So is it to increase conversions, build or optimize sales funnel, SEO, paid advertising, or I'm not sure, but he gets more information about you so he can actually start creating more targeted information for you. So here's the next thank you page from HubSpot. So here they say to you, your copy is here, you can download it now, and at the same time you can also email it to a friend. Then they give you information about the kind of things and kind of value that they'll be providing for you, and they also have social share buttons. The next thank you page actually starts immediately directing you to start interacting. This guy here, Derek Helpers, he straight away starts to get you interacting with his Facebook. The next one here is making the most of selling or presenting a low price offer on the thank you page. So here they have an offer which is $7. It is, you can add to cart. So you're straight away, he's given his new opt-in the opportunity to purchase something while they're still in that frame of mind of interest of buying a low priced offer. So that's a very good use of the thank you page, especially where you're trying to recoup the cost of ads. So I hope you can see just how powerful a thank you page can be, and you've enjoyed having a look at all the different examples of how you can use your thank you page very effectively. So it's definitely not a page to be overlooked. If you did enjoy the video, please do give it a thumbs up leave me a comment, do subscribe and hit the notification button, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye.